You okay?
Okay.
Close your mouth. Shake your legs. Swing your arms. Swing your arms.
Stop!
I think I got chill in my eyes. That chill was hot.
It's probably because you got it on your hands and so you rubbed your eye.
Yeah.
Did Tonya fart?
I think
There's
so.
bubbles. Oh, we put the goggles over his mouth so the water doesn't get there.
Yeah.
Don't! Are you taking a picture or recording?
I'm trying to take a picture.
Oh.
It's like.
Let me see.
And you're like,
Wow.
Let me see.
you know the paparazzi don't play around.